Get ready for an exciting adventure as farm animals and sea creatures face off in a fun-filled showdown. Who is faster, the galloping horse or the speedy dolphin? Who makes the biggest splash, the playful pig or the mighty whale? In this thrilling and educational journey, kids will discover amazing facts about their favorite barnyard buddies and ocean-dwelling friends. Packed with fun challenges, surprising comparisons, and lots of laughs, this book is perfect for young explorers who love animals from land and sea. Crabs have a hard, protective outer shell called a carapace, made of chitin, which helps shield them from predators and environmental threats. This exoskeleton must be molted, shed, as they grow. Crabs are known for their distinctive sideways walk. This is because of the structure of their legs, which are adapted for lateral movement. Seals have excellent vision both underwater and on land. Although their eyesight is better in water, they also have highly sensitive whiskers, vibrissae, that help them detect prey in dark or murky waters. They also use body language, such as postures and movements, Moose are primarily found in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. They prefer cold, temperate climates and are most common in Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia.
Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, likely from wild mouflon sheep. They have been an important source of food, clothing, wool, and labor for humans ever since. Sheep are known for their wool, which is used to make clothing, blankets, and textiles.
Clownfish are most famous for their striking orange, black, and white coloring. The coloration serves as a form of protection, helping them blend in with the brightly colored sea anemones in which they live. Clownfish are immune to the stings of the sea anemone's tentacles, thanks to a layer of mucus on their skin. Dogs were domesticated around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are believed to have evolved from wolves, with early humans selectively breeding them for traits such as companionship, herding, and hunting. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions.
Geese are well known for their long-distance migrations. They typically fly south for the winter and return north for the summer, traveling thousands of miles. Some species, like the Canada goose, migrate between North America and Central or South America. Geese are known for their strong family bonds.
Octopuses are known for their remarkable intelligence. They are capable of problem-solving, using tools, navigating mazes, and even opening jars to access food. They have been observed exhibiting behaviors such as play and curiosity.
Most bears are omnivores, eating plants, fruits, nuts, insects, fish, and small animals. Exceptions include the polar bear, which is mostly carnivorous, and the giant panda, which primarily eats bamboo. Many bears are strong swimmers and climbers. Llamas are domesticated animals originally from the Andes Mountains of South America, especially Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Chile. Llamas are known for their gentle and curious nature, making them popular in petting zoos and farms. However, they can spit when annoyed or threatened.
Lobsters can survive for several days out of water, as long as they remain moist. However, they must be kept moist to prevent dehydration. Lobsters mate after the female molts, and the male will guard her until her new shell hardens. Turtles are one of the oldest reptile groups, having been around for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. Their ancestors first appeared during the Triassic period. Turtles have diverse diets. Some species are herbivores. Pumas are native to the Americas and have one of the largest ranges of any wild terrestrial mammal. They can be found from Canada to the southern Andes in South America, including many parts of the United States, Mexico, and Central America. Pumas are solitary creatures, unlike lions or wolves. Fin whales are found in all the world's major oceans and migrate thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. The fin whale, Balænoptera physalis, is the second largest animal, after the blue whale, growing up to 85 feet, 26 meters long, and weighing up to 80 tons.
Roosters have vibrant, colorful plumage, including a glossy red comb on top of their head and wattles beneath their beak. The comb and wattles play a role in regulating body temperature and are also used in attracting hens. Roosters are territorial animals.
Whales have strong family bonds and are known to show emotions like grief and joy. Whales evolved from land-dwelling mammals about 50 million years ago. Sperm whales can dive over 3,280 feet, 1,000 meters, and hold their breath for more than 90 minutes while hunting squid.
Zebras are social animals that live in groups called harems or herds. A typical harem consists of one male and several females with their young. Herds can include up to 20 individuals, but larger groups may form for protection against predators.
Seahorses are small marine fish with a horse-like head, a coiled tail, and a body covered in bony plates instead of scales. Seahorses are poor swimmers and rely on their dorsal fin, on their back, for propulsion.
Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts, and ear positions.
Lionesses are fiercely protective mothers. After giving birth, they usually raise their cubs in a secluded area away from the rest of the pride. They nurse their cubs for about 6 to 7 months, but will start introducing them to the rest of the pride earlier. Lionesses are the primary hunters in the pride. Dolphins are known for their high intelligence, with complex social behaviors, problem-solving abilities, and communication skills. They can use tools, understand abstract concepts, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Dolphins live in groups called pods. Lions are known for their powerful roars, which can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away. The roar is a form of communication that can mark territory or signal strength. Lions are the largest of the African big cats.
Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, fruits, and flowers from trees. They prefer acacia trees but will also eat from other tree species. Their long necks allow them to reach leaves high above the ground, which other herbivores can't access. Giraffes can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Camels are famous for their ability to survive without water for long periods. They can go for several days without drinking by conserving moisture in their bodies. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one sitting, rehydrating rapidly. Camels are incredibly well adapted to hot, arid climates.
Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, even before trees evolved. They were here before dinosaurs and have survived several mass extinctions. Sharks have highly developed senses, especially their sense of smell. They can detect blood in the water from miles away, up to 1 part per 10 billion. Sharks have specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow them to detect electrical fields in the water. Packed with fun challenges, surprising comparisons, and lots of laughs, this book is perfect for young explorers who love animals from land and sea. Let the epic showdown begin.